CISCOMPASS. Undisclosed rules! And now we go to this awesome high-rise building in Queen Street in Auckland CBD. And now, I have filmed these stuff back in January 2017 when they were original. Yes, these have used to be some 80s express lifts, except sadly, in 2017, they got modernised into Schindler port elevators. Yup, there's 6 elevators and all of them got modernised. And now, we're about the first 4 lifts, like the main set. These lifts actually kept the original COP indicators and the fixtures inside, except on the outside, the LPS, yep, it's got new Schindler port things and whatever that is. And yes, I do actually have a video of the original lift here, except sadly, I lost the video, which is so annoying. Anyways, never mind that, let's take a ride on the new modern elevators.
These are the new lifts, and I think I know what that place is, at the place where it was last time. 109 Queen Street, Auckland. These are new Schindler ports.
Well, he'll get you out.
Same cat, we only need to fill the indicator. 10 doesn't flash. Oh well.
Right.
Take a look here. It looks a bit different. That's because it's under construction.
Right.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, see? This is what's changed.
Listen to the noise it makes.
Anyways, let's press that.
This group serves.
Right, off you go.
Yeah, I feel like that's when we press there. Let's press into destination. Wait, why are you bringing that?
I'm planning on putting you in there.
What?
Oh,
Right, here we go again.
If we squeeze you and jump on you.
Oh, crap.